I have a 1998 LT133 lawn tractor that now has very weak brakes. Is there an adjustment or does something need to be replaced?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Full size image. Full size image. The mower has a disc brake at the transmission. The brake pads may be worn, or the pedal may not be getting full travel. Check the travel, and if travel seems to be complete, you will need to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper and examine the pads. AM 128517 brake kit. Here is Deere number for the friction pads. $17.30 from this website. http://www.greenpartsstore.com/John Deere Brake Kit AM 128517_P_35616.html. Shows no adjustment, just be sure the nut on the #XXXXX lever is tight. Much easier to reach with right rear tire off, be sure and not lose the key holding wheel to axle. Thank you.
Is this brake kit located on the outside or inside of the transmission? I am fairly mechanical, but is the disc pad replacement better left to a professional?
On this model it is external. It is not difficult. If you can put disc brake pads on a car, this is easier.
Thank you. XXXXXXXXXX give it a go. Goodbye.
Remove the right rear wheel. That is the hardest part, then remove the linkage from number 10 lever. Remove the two bolts holding the caliper, then you can remove the pads. Install new pads, reinstall the caliper and hook up the linkage. Reinstall the wheel, being sure the key is in place, so axle and will turn together. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.